back. We have already learned about the letter A, B and C. So today we will do only the revision of the letter A, B and C. Okay, so let's get started. Children, first let's do the revision from the book. Here you can see this is capital A and this is small a, and both the letter makes same sound A. So here is a picture of apple. So apple. You can see here this is a picture of apricot. Okay, apricot. And this is a picture of ant. Ant. And these all the pictures start from the letter A. Okay, so we'll go to the B letter. This is capital letter B and this is small letter b, and both the letter makes same sound ba. This is the picture of ball and ball. B says ball. This is a picture of balloon balloon. This is a picture of boat boat. These all the objects start from the letter B. So now we'll go to the next letter. Children, this is the letter C, capital C and small c. Okay, and both the letter makes same sound k. This is a picture of cat, cat. And this is a picture of car, car. And this is a picture of cup, cup. And all of these objects start from the letter C. Children, let's do an activity. You can see here I have arranged letter A, letter B and letter C cards. Okay, and here are some picture cards. So what we need to do, children, we need to pick a card, say the object name and its sound also, and we need to keep under the appropriate letter. Okay, so let's begin. So here I am picking. What is this, children? This is a ball and the sound is ball. So which letter sound is ball? Which letter sound is ba? B letter sound. So where is the B? Here. So you need to keep under the B letter. Okay, so we will go to the next. Yes, what is this picture? This is a picture of an alligator. Okay, what is the sound? A. So where I need to keep it? Which letter sound is A? A letter sound. So here is the A. So I am keeping here. So let's get search. So here is a picture of cat. Cat. So which letter sound is K? C letter sound is K. So here is the C and I am keeping under the C letter. Okay. So next is, yes, this is a picture of apple. Okay. Apple. So which letter sound is A? A letter sound. So here is the A letter and I am keeping under the A letter. Now this is a picture of car. Car. So which letter sound is K? C letter sound. So here is the C letter and I am keeping here. Okay. And this is the picture of banana. Banana. So which letter sound is banana? B letter sound is banana. So here is the B letter and I'm keeping here the banana picture. Okay, children? A says alligator, apple. B says ball, banana. C says cat and car. Okay? You also practice this at home. Let's practice in the book. You need to open page number 25 and you need to write today's date August 4, 8, 2020. Let's write. Circle the odd letter in each row. Children, here you can see the capital letters. Capital letter C, A, A. Okay, you need to find the odd letter or the different letter which is not same from the other letters. Okay, here you can see only C is the different from the other letters. So here C is the odd letter, so you need to circle the C. Let's circle the C. Okay, let's go to the next line. Here you can see only the small letters are here. Okay, small letter B, C, B, B. Here, which is the different or which is the odd letter? Small letter C is the odd letter. Okay, you need to circle the small letter C. Same, the next line. Here, all letters are capitals. Capital B, B, A, B. Here you can see B, B, B. Here 3 capital B's are here and only the capital A. So capital A is the different from the other letters. So you need to circle capital A. Here, which is the different? Small a, because other 3 letters are small letter C. So you need to circle small letter A. In the next line, which is the different? Here you can see 3 letters are small letter B. So here only the small letter is the odd. So circle small letter A. Here all the letters are capitals and only B is the different from other letters. So circle the B. Let's go to the next page. Page number 26. Look at the letter and color the correct picture in each row. Children, you can see here 2 pictures. Here capital letter A and small letter A, and both the letter makes same sound A. So here you need to say which picture is begin from the A letter sound A. So here A say A, ant. Okay, so you need to color the picture ant. So let's color the picture of ant. Take the red color or black color and color the ant. Let's go to the next line. Here is the letter B, capital B and small b. Both the letter make same sound, B. So here you can say B, boat. So this is a picture of boat, and here is a picture of house. Okay, so which picture is begins from the letter sound B? Boat picture. Okay, boat. So you need to color the boat. Now we'll go to the next line. Here you can see the letter capital letter C and small letter C, and here you can see the picture of cap and picture of brinjal. So you need to find out which picture sound is K. Here cap, K, cap, and here is a brinjal, but brinjal starts from the letter B. So you need to color the picture of cap. Go to our next question. Match the capital letters to small letters. Children, you can see here capital letters are here and the small letter also are here. Okay, you need to match the capital letters to small letter. So here capital C is here. Where is the small letter C? Here. So you need to match it. Capital letter A. So where is the small letter A? Here. So match it with capital letter B. So where is the small letter B? Here. So match with the letter B. Okay. So we'll go to the next page. Page number 27. Say the names of the pictures and write capital A or small a, capital B and small b, or capital C or small c. So let's write. Here is a picture of arrow. So what is the sound? Beginning sound? A. So A means A. So you need to write letter A. Okay, and also the small letter A. Okay, so next picture is balloon. Balloon. So which letter sound is balloon? Which letter sound is B? B. So write the letter B. Okay, capital B and small b. This is a picture of cake. K. And C letter sound is the K. So write the capital letter C and small letter C. Okay. Next is the candle. Candle. So C letter sound is the K. Capital C and small c. Here is a picture of axe. Axe. So which letter sound? A. Okay. Write capital A and small a. And this is a picture of bag. Bag. Which letter sound? B. Capital B and small b. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Take the small letters to capital letters. Children, you can see here it's looking like a circle. Okay, and all the small letters are outside and the capital letters are inside. So what you will do, you need to take the small letters and match with capital letters. Okay, so let's do. Take the small letters. You need to draw a line towards the capital letter. You have to find the capital letter. Where is the capital letter? And you find the way of capital letter and match it with it. And match it with capital letter A. So next go to the small letter B. So B is here, small letter B. We need to find the capital letter B. Here is the capital letter B and you need to find the way. So here we can go. Okay. So let's match. Okay. Now let's go to the small letter C. Okay children, this is your today's work. Page number 25, 26 and 27. Complete it and share with your teachers. Thank you.